Hello everybody, I am out for a gravel ride round my local trails here in the Forest of Dean. Nothing too taxing today, just a gentle one. I think I'm just going to head down to the Colliers Trail and do that. It is Sunday afternoon now. It was morning when I started getting ready, but it's been so long since I went out for a ride that all my gear was all over the place. Had to hunt it all down. That is so much better. My brakes are working fine again now. I've cut a lot of the bracken back here. Very neat and tidy. Hiya, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, these trees are pretty. It's nice to still have a bit of colour. Yesterday was by far a prettier day. The sun was shining. It was beautiful. I went out for a lovely walk with Tom. We went out with the cameras just to look for a bit of wildlife and did a bit of landscape photography as well, a bit of a mix. We walked past the caves yesterday that are fairly near to where we live, and they were completely flooded. The water level was very high. You couldn't even tell that there'd be caves down there. They flood all the time, those caves. People go down them with diving gear sometimes. Wonder how washed out the trails are going to be. Oh, a chaffinch. Pretty. It's actually not ideal that it's so wet out because I probably could have done with bedding my brakes in a bit more. But never mind, we have to take what we get, don't we? That is looking very full and flowing very well. In case you didn't figure it out from my comment about the brakes, I'm out on Old Fashioned, my hand-built gravel bike. It's been about a year since I built it and it's still going strong. No unexpected problems, apart from where I caught my brake cable on that stick and wrenched it. It's fairly mild today, 7-8 degrees I think. It's been quite mild all winter, hasn't it? I fear I may have put too many layers on, but I don't want to take any chances. My chest has been bad. I don't want to upset it again. Keep it nice and warm. Past Cannock Lakes. Get a cup of tea or coffee here if you want. Goodness me, they're up pretty high too. The ducks are on the wrong side of the road, in the puddle over there, which is more than a puddle. It's formed its own little pond. I thought I'd wear my chest mount again today because it is just so wet and mucky out. It's bound to be a bit slippy in places. Oh, look at all the snowdrops. There you are. Ooh, I'm steamed up. It's really nice to see all the flowers out and about, all the crocuses as well. I think there's daffodils come up as well. They're a bit early, but it has, like I said, it's been mild, hasn't it? So you can cycle the same routes, and there's always something new and exciting to see. Just on your left. Cheers very much. Thanks. I wasn't sure how I was going to find this ride today actually, since it's been quite a while. Not too bad so far. A bit slower than usual, but that doesn't matter. Tom and me have been ill again with a really nasty bug. Had it about 3.5 weeks. Just starting to feel properly better this weekend. So that's why I haven't been out for such a long time. But I am enjoying myself through the tunnel. I feel like we've been ill with one thing or another all winter really. Bring on spring. At least the days are getting longer now. I feel like it's been darker than usual this winter too. The chest is starting to feel it a little bit up this slight incline. Just a little bit tight. Just coming past. Oh, thank you. Thanks. Oh, that's a deer or something crossing over there. A few. I didn't think we were going to see any wildlife. Look at that. Nice little herd. Fallow. Off they go up there. Lovely. Got a really nice shot of some fallow yesterday actually. Just stood in a field. They were just down below a dip, so they were just sort of peeping over the top. Made for a really lovely photo. That was my mum just sent me a text. She's just sent me a photo of the chestnut mushroom kit I got it for Christmas. It's got loads of lovely big mushrooms growing in it, so that's good. I wasn't sure if it was going to grow all right. Sometimes the chestnut mushrooms can be a bit tricky, but yeah, I'm pleased about that. Actually getting a bit sweaty. I don't think I can be bothered to take all this gear off though, especially with this chest mount on as well. So I'm just going to get cycling again. Let's go. Just said how hot and sweaty I am. Unzipped my jacket and now I'm cold. Just need to get pedaling again. Well, I don't think they're supposed to be on here. Another tunnel. Whee! It's supposed to be a weights training session today. I was going to stay in and do some weights and then do some indoor cycling, but I felt better and I just really fancied coming out, so I think it was a good decision. Maybe I'll still do some weights when I get in. Wonder how the piggies are. Any piggies about today? Oh, I hear you. There you are. Hi guys. There's some piggies. Come here. Hello babies. Hello. Look at these new babies. Hello. Hello. No nibbling. No nibbling. I haven't got any treats for you. Oh, hello. Aren't you darling little piggies? Hi babies. Hello. Hello. You nibble nibble. here then. Come here then. Oh, hello cuties. I don't have any treats for you. I'll give you a stroke if you keep still. Oh, beep. Aren't these guys super cute? Look at these. Lovely babies. Babies. Come on then. What have you seen? What have you seen? What? Have I missed something over there? No, my luck, a deer's just run past as well. Hello. Hello, you are the cutest. You can't nibble upon me. I've got nothing. No, you little cheeky monkey. You're a little cheeky monkey. Oh, you're such a sweetie pie. Hello. Don't put your feet on the barbed wire. Don't put your feet on the barbed wire, you cheeky little toad. Wow, now that is a real treat. That's a real treat, isn't it? How nice to come and see you guys. Oh look, they've got mud all over the lens. Oh dearie me. Is that better? They got mud all over my lens. How cool is that? What a lovely treat. They are tiny little babies, so cute. Yeah, that's how we get a scratch. We stay still and we be good piggies, don't we? Don't knock my bike over. Oi, 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 you cheeky toad. Don't puncture my tyre. You're a cheeky little monkey. Oh, yeah. They were adorable. Over the bridge. Oh, it's raining a bit. I have got my rain jacket with me. I hope it doesn't pour though. I said that like I'm surprised that it's raining. It's literally been raining the whole of winter. My friends in Norway have had lovely snow all winter. I think they get a bit fed up of that though. I would have loved to have seen some boar today as well, but there hasn't been any about so far. Not that I've clocked anyway. I got a few more photos to edit up when I get home. The only problem when Tom and me go out together, or I suppose any group of you go out together, certainly for wildlife photography it's a bit different with landscape, but we end up with exactly the same shots. There's only so much you can do with a group of deer stood in the field, isn't there? Uh-oh. It's raining heavier. Might have to put my rain jacket on. Ooh, God knows if that's in the right place now. Hopefully it's better. I don't want to get soaked. The sun has come out at the same time as the rain, so I can't complain too much. Nice to see the sunshine again. I'm nearly back in Park End now. Chest is feeling all right again now. A little bit. Just up the first half of the Colliers Trail with a bit of the incline. Just gonna head back the easy but slightly boring way today along the Coleford Link. Actually, the scenery's not that boring. It's quite pretty. It's just got a slight incline the whole way and it's a bit straight. So it's a little bit of a drag. Used to be an old railway. This is probably the prettiest bit just here. If I do any weights when I get home, I think I'm just going to do the arms. I think my legs have had a good enough workout actually. They feel like they have now. I'll have done around about 20 miles today, I think. I think the rain might have set in now. It's not too heavy, but it's not showing any signs of stopping anytime soon. This jacket's really good. This is little waterproof from Endura. It's very lightweight, packs up super small, and it does actually keep you very dry, and it's nice and bright so everyone can see me. Ah, look at the sunshine. Look at those lovely tram stones. I'm cycling past the top of Darkhill Ironworks at the moment. It's mucky down here. Here we are. Get a good look in a second. Just lean my bike up somewhere so we can have a look. Preferably not blocking anything. There we go. So this is Darkhill Ironworks. I've mentioned it in my videos before, but it's just a bit easier to see it this time of year. In the winter, everything's died back. So here, David and Robert Mushet, they were father and son, carried out experiments in the 19th century on iron and steel. And this is basically the birthplace of tungsten steel. So yeah, it is very cool, as you can see. I like coming here. So here it is from the top path on the other side. These trees have grown up quite a bit, so it blocks it now. It didn't used to be quite so overgrown this side, but there you go, you get the idea. Right, well, while I'm here, I think I'm going to end the video. I'm losing the light. I'm starting to get hungry. My tummy keeps grumbling, so excuse me for that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye.